everyone, I'm Rava and you watching me on your Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you a 3-ingredient recipe with a coconut. So let's get started. First, take a pan and add 2 spoons of ghee. Now add half cup of rava. Roast it well till the raw smell goes. Now transfer into a plate. In the same pan, add another 2 spoons of ghee. In that, add some freshly grated coconut. I have taken about 1 cup of coconut. Roast it well until it gets golden brown. The ghee and the coconut gives a nice flavor. See, the moisture of the coconut is completely gone. It's like a desiccated coconut now. In this stage, we will add some 1 cup of sugar. Saute well together. Now add a pinch of salt to it. In this stage, add some water. I have taken half cup of water. Now add the roasted rava. Let the rava cook well. You can add water according to your consistency. Now add a half spoon of cardamom powder. Or you can add your favorite essence too. Now our mixture is ready. Grease the plate with ghee. Keep it ready. Put the coconut mixture on the plate and tap like this. Let's cut the barfi when it's hot. When the coconut mixture gets cold, it will be hard to cut. That's why you have to cut it when it's hot. Once you finish cutting down, let it cool for some time. I left it about 2 hours. I like to make my presentation even look good. So for that, I have taken some jam and put it in the pipe bag and decorated like this. I think it looks great now. I hope it looks awesome. Coconut barfi is ready. I'm going to taste it. It's so yummy and delicious. Try to please subscribe my channel.